Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're eager to start building your very own Wix website from scratch, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a stunning website using Wix's blank canvas option, giving you total creative control, whether you want a sleek personal site or a bold business homepage. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Wix dashboard and select Create New Site. This is your official starting line. Wix will offer you several templates, but today we're going with Studio Blank Canvas. Now, why pick the blank canvas? It gives you a fresh start, no preset layout or styles, so you can take your site in any direction you like, whether you crave minimalism or you've got a very clear vision for your project. Once you're in the Studio Blank Canvas, look for the Design section. Think of this part as choosing the vibe or the personality of your website. This area sets the foundation you'll build on. You'll see an option for your home or welcome page. This will be the first thing visitors see. Click Home, or Welcome, and browse through the available designs. Don't worry if you're not sure what theme fits you best right away. Pick one that speaks to you, and remember, you can always tweak and personalize it later. For now, the most important thing is just to get something on the page because it's much easier to adjust as you go than to start overthinking before you even begin. With the home page set, let's build out the rest of your site. Click over to Pages in the menu. You'll want to add an About page next. Every great website has one. Click Add New Page, then give it the name About. This step will keep your site organized and tells your visitors who you are or what your business is all about. Once you've named the page, pop back into the Design section. Just like before, you'll see some ready-made styles tailored for About pages. Pick one that fits the tone you want. Maybe it's professional and clean, maybe it's more artistic. The idea is to keep your site looking consistent, so try to keep the overall style matching your homepage. But don't stress if it's not perfect just yet. Now let's say you want to showcase your products, a portfolio, or even services. Add another new page and name this one Products. This is where you control what's on offer or highlight what makes you stand out. Click into the Design section again, and this time, look specifically for designs optimized for products or portfolios. Select a design that displays items clearly. For example, something with nice image grids or easy-to-read product info. Customization here is key. Maybe swap out sample images for your real products, or adjust colors so everything feels uniform across pages. Keeping a consistent visual style will really make your website look professional and put together. To tie everything together, let's set up your site's menu. Think of this as your site's roadmap. It helps visitors navigate smoothly between your pages. Go to the menu, then Manage menu. From here, add each of the pages you just created: Home, About, and Products. Click Add Item for each one, making sure they all show up correctly. This step might feel simple, but it's vital. If visitors can't find their way around, they're likely to click away fast. Once you've finished setting up your menu, you're ready for the final step: publishing your website. Take a deep breath, double-check your pages, and hit Publish. It might take a few moments to go live, but trust me, seeing your website on the web for the first time is always satisfying. That's it. You've just built the core structure of your Wix website from a completely blank canvas. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow web design and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new website.